Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the next episode about Ihsan. This is module 8 and this is the part of our Tarbiyah curriculum, the character compass, the journey of Tarbiyah for 21st century Muslims. تو آج ہم نے جو بات کرنی ہے وہ بات بڑی انٹرسٹنگ ہے اور وہ یہ ہے قلب سلیم and the ladder of احسان. ہم اپنی پچھلی 2 ایپیسوڈز میں اور ماڈیولز میں احسان کے کانسیپٹ کے اوپر بات کر رہے تھے. آج ہم نے دیکھنا ہے ایک لفظ ہمارے ہاں استعمال ہوتا ہے اور وہ ہے قلب سلیم. اس کا کیا تعلق ہے احسان کے اندر پروگریس کرنے سے اور امپروو کرنے سے؟ دیکھیے یہ لفظ کس کے لیے استعمال ہوا ہے؟ اللہ تعالیٰ قرآن مجید میں فرماتے ہیں سورۃ البینہ میں وَمَا أُمِرُوا إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مُخْلِصِينَ لَهُ الدِّينَ حُنَفَاءَ. جو اچھے لوگ تھے جن کو اللہ تعالیٰ نے دنیا میں بہترین اعزاز اور نام عطا فرمایا تھا، ان کو یہ کلیئر حکم تھا کہ انہوں نے اللہ کے علاوہ کسی کی عبادت نہیں کرنی، انہوں نے اللہ کے ساتھ سنسیئر رہنا ہے when it comes to religion. اور دین کیا ہوتا ہے؟ وہ انسان کی دنیا کو بھی کور کرتا ہے اور انسان کی آخرت کو بھی کور کرتا ہے. تو چلیے آئیے اس بات کو سمجھنے کی کوشش کرتے ہیں کہ یہ قلب سلیم، دی پیور ہارٹ، یہ کیا چیز ہے؟ تھوڑی دیر کے لیے آنکھیں بند کریں اور دیکھیں، محسوس کریں کہ وی آر اسٹینڈنگ ان این اوپن ڈیزرٹ، اینڈلیس اسکائی above you, soft wind on my face. Think of your presence there and feel the presence of the Almighty Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is where the journey of Ihsan meets the story of one man whose heart was so pure that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself entitled it with the name Qalb Salim, a sound, sincere, uncorrupted heart. That man was Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Today we will discover how his heart teaches us the final step of Ihsan, to act with sincerity, to worship with awareness, and to beautify every action with intention. Ibrahim alayhi salam, he was given a title name Hanif, one direction. ایک اللہ کا وہ بندہ جس نے جب اپنے رب کو پہچان لیا تو پھر وہ اپنے رب کے ساتھ بس چپک گیا اور اس کے بعد اس نے اپنے آپ کو کہیں ادھر ادھر ویور نہیں ہونے دیا. یہی وجہ ہے کہ آج کی دنیا میں بھی جب ہم ابراہیم علیہ السلام کا نام لیتے ہیں تو جو لوگ بھی الہامی مذہب کے پیروکار ہیں وہ سب کے سب اپنے آپ کو اعزاز محسوس کرتے ہیں کہ اپنے آپ کو ابراہیم علیہ السلام کے فالوورز کہیں. تو دیکھیے ذرا آج ہم بات کرنے لگے ہیں کہ ان تمام پروفٹس کی جن کے لیے اللہ نے لفظ جو ہے قلب سلیم استعمال کیا ہے، اور اللہ تعالیٰ نے ان کے بارے میں قرآن مجید میں کیا فرمایا ہے کہ all the prophets were guided by this principle, but Allah highlighted it clearly in Surah Al-Bayyinah. Again وہی بات، they were not commanded except to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, stay sincere to him in religion, and that is the ladder of Ihsan. It begins with intentions. It rises through effort and reaches its heights in sincerity. Without sincerity, even the biggest deeds are empty. With sincerity, even a small hidden act can light up our heart. When we are talking about the Qalb Salim, that was actually given to Ibrahim alayhi salam as a distinguished award from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We need to remind ourselves the tests Ibrahim alayhi salam went through. The life of Ibrahim alayhi salam, his seerah showed us that sincerity is not spoken, it's proven. When he broke the idol of his people, it wasn't rebellion, it was devotion. When he was thrown into the fire, he said with complete peace, Hasbi Allahu wa ni'mal wakeel, Allah is enough for me and he is the best of protector. And when he was commanded to leave his family in the desert, baby Ismail alayhi salam and Sayyida Hajara, he obeyed. Not out of blindness, but trust and reliance, full reliance on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when he was asked to sacrifice his son, he didn't hesitate because his love for Allah was greater than all loves. Each test purified his heart until it became qalb salim, the heart that only beats for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's the secret of ihsan, to do what pleases Allah, even when no one understands and no one sees. And try to perfect yourself in this concept by practicing sabr, isbat, and seeking the guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The ladder of ihsan. Let us turn this short lecture into a practice, something we can see, track, and feel. We call it the ihsan ladder. 5 simple steps to climb daily. Number 1, day 1, salah. Ask yourself, did I pray with the feeling of Allah's presence, or just with emotions? I wanted to get it done and it was done, but I didn't feel anything and there was no change to my heart. Number 2, this is the day 2. Did I speak kindly and truthfully the whole day long? Day 3, did I do my chores and work with the care, even no one was noticing me? Day 4, was I kind? Did I help someone without expecting thanks? I've been merciful and kind towards my fellow beings. The ladder of ihsan. It's so simple, but it's so precise. Each step is a mirror to our heart, and every act of awareness polishes our qalb salim. The hidden deeds. Let us practice ihsan in action. This week's challenge is perform one righteous act anonymously. No one knows. You don't want to publicize yourself, without telling anyone, without posting, without seeking recognition, and not without seeking the validations from others. Maybe it's the cleaning a place no one notices. Maybe it's a slipping a note of encouragement under someone's door. Maybe it's giving charity silently. Let us do it purely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, going one extra mile daily. I request you people to start writing your feelings. You feel beautifully, but when it's recorded, it enhances its impact. Journal our feelings in a journal. Let us write. How did doing good deeds, secretly for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, feel different from being praised for it? And then feel it. You will feel the quiet joy, the hidden peace. This is ihsan, when the reward is felt in the heart, not seen by the eyes. In fact, the heart that sees Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a total different heart from an ordinary heart. Then we call it qalb salim, this sound heart. This is the heart that keeps returning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after every fall. It's not that کہ کسی سے گناہ نہیں ہوتا یا خطا نہیں ہوتی, لیکن ہوتا کیا ہے کہ خطا کرتے ہی ایک بڑا اہم احساس اور گہرا احساس جاگتا ہے جو کہتا نہیں اپنے آپ کو کلین کرنا ہے, اپنے آپ کو صاف کرنا ہے, استغفار کر کے اس کے گندے امپیکٹ کو ختم کرنا ہے. This is the heart that loves doing right even when it's unseen. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam seerah taught us that real faith in quiet, humble, and filled with trust. This is ihsan. That means to act beautifully, not for the eyes of people, but for the gaze of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the gaze is not one of fear, it's one of the love. When we live for the love, our heart becomes light and our life becomes, the whole life, entire life turns into the long, consistent act of worship. Let us recite another dua for the purification of heart. As we said, that dua is the only way that we can attain this standard with the support of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by His blessing. So let's say, oh Allah, grant me a heart that is sound, sincere, and steadfast. And let's do let's every act I do before, for your sake only, purify my intentions and beautify my deeds with ihsan. May Allah bless us all with the heart like Ibrahim alayhi salam, that was pure, patient and peacefully, heart that beats for Allah alone. That is the true Qalb Salim and the summit of ihsan ladder. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.